how to start a dairy farm. Start a dairy farm involves several key steps. Number 1. Research and planning. Learn about dairy farming through books, online resources, and visiting existing farms. Develop a detailed business planning, outline your goal, budget, and operational plan. Number 2. Choose the right location. Select a location with a suitable climate, access to water, and proximity to markets. Number 3. Select dairy cattle. Choose a dairy cattle breed based on factors like milk production, adaptability, and local conditions. Number 4. Infrastructure and equipments. Set up proper infrastructure including barns, milking parlors, and storage facilities. Invest in necessary equipment such as milking machine, cooling tanks, and feeding systems. Number 5. Feed and nutrition. Develop a balanced feeding program for your cattle, ensuring they receive proper nutrition for milk production. Number 6. Health care management. Establish a veterinary care plan to monitor and maintain the health of your dairy herd. Number 7. Compliance and regulation. Familiarize yourself with a local regulation and obtain necessary permits for operating a dairy farm. Number 8. Marketing and sales. Create a marketing strategy to sell your dairy products, explore local markets, retailers, and potential partnerships. Number 9. Financial management. Keep accurate financial records and monitor your expenses to ensure profitability. Number 10. Continuous learning. Stay updated on advancements in dairy farming through industry publication and networking with other farmers. Remember that starting a dairy farm requires dedication, hard work, and ongoing commitments to the well-being of your cattle and the success of your business. So this was our today video, and we will meet you with another video. So subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video, like,